a significant evolution compared with the past. By using integrated software such as NX and Team Center, we can have an interface of all the teams developing the project on the same mathematical base. This allows us to reduce analysis times and to avoid possible errors caused by miscommunication between the different teams.
We can say that one of the strong points of Siemens is the fact that we offer a product portfolio which covers both the manufacturing and the engineering side. And what's more, that these products are also tightly integrated.
The Technomatics tools are above all useful in the analysis of the product and in the simulation of the product line. Earlier planning and development know-how is thereby incorporated and implemented in the overall design. The aim was to produce 3 times as many cars than before, while maintaining the same level of quality, which is obviously higher simply because it is a Maserati.
Well, CAS is an integrated system used by the entire Fiat Chrysler Automobiles Group and is also installed in the Maserati plant. It facilitates the management of the plant with Siemens PLC and HMI hardware with WinCC and Step 7. Delivering all the diagnostics of everything that happens in the plant in real time. So Siemens technology helps us to be more efficient and have better quality management in the production plant.
The expertise is not only in the tool, so not only in the software, but above all about how to use the software within the setting of Maserati and FCA, because that is where we really make the difference.